Do you ever feel like strange things happen to you a little more often than most? It could be a sign you're vibrating at a higher frequency. Now, this high vibration thing can sound a little out there, but what if I told you it could explain all those strange experiences you've been having? In this video, we'll explore the unique reality of those with high vibrational energy and unpack each of these seemingly strange occurrences. Some of them may not be as positive as we would wish for, so trust me, you won't want to miss any of these. Have you ever noticed how sometimes good things just seem to fall into place? You set an intention, and suddenly opportunities appear out of thin air. Job applications land in your lap, the perfect book falls into your hands at the coffee shop, or a chance encounter leads to a valuable connection. This isn't just dumb luck, it's the universe responding to the signal you're sending out. That's because one of the first strange occurrences has to deal with your ability to manifest your dreams and follow the synchronicities the universe is throwing your way. Imagine yourself tuning a radio. The clearer and stronger the signal, the better you can pick up your favorite station. When you vibrate at a high frequency, full of positivity and intention, it's like broadcasting a clear signal to the universe. Your thoughts and desires resonate with the world around you, attracting experiences and opportunities that align with your energy. Those synchronicities, meaningful coincidences that seem too good to be true, are the universe's way of nudging you in the right direction. It's like the universe is whispering, "You're on the right track, keep going." So next time you find yourself experiencing a string of fortunate events, take it as a sign. The universe is listening, and your high vibration is amplifying your desires, turning them into reality. Embrace the flow, trust the synchronicities, and know that the universe is conspiring to help you manifest your dreams. Now, if things seem to be moving a little slower than you'd like, don't despair. The universe works in its own perfect timing. Just like a complex recipe, sometimes the ingredients need a little time to simmer before the magic happens. Trust that your positive energy is setting the wheels in motion and keep radiating your light. The manifestation you desire is on its way. Ever walk down the street and catch someone staring a little too intently? That feeling of being under scrutiny can be unsettling. Maybe you check your clothes for a wardrobe malfunction or wonder if you have something in your teeth. But fear not, fashion faux pas are unlikely culprits. When you vibrate at a high frequency, you radiate a certain kind of light. This light isn't visible to the naked eye, but it carries a powerful energy, a warmth, a sense of inner peace and joy that others can subconsciously pick up on. These stares are more like a recognition, a subtle awareness of your positive energy. Think of yourself as a glowing ember in a dimly lit room. People might not understand the source of the light, but they're drawn to its warmth nonetheless. In their presence, you might even inspire a sense of calm or a flicker of inspiration. So, next time you catch someone stealing a glance, don't be weirded out. Embrace it. It's a sign that your inner light is shining brightly, and it's affecting the world around you in positive ways. Have you ever struck up a conversation with a complete stranger that felt strangely familiar, like talking to an old friend you haven't seen in years? This isn't just happenstance. It's the magic of high vibration at work. When you vibrate at a high frequency, you radiate positive energy that acts like a beacon to others who resonate with your light. Imagine the world as a giant radio. People with similar frequencies are tuned to the same station. Your positive energy sends out a strong, clear signal, attracting others who are on the same wavelength. This is why conversations with strangers can flow so effortlessly, filled with a sense of shared understanding and connection. These chance encounters often lead to meaningful conversations, shared experiences, and even blossoming friendships. In a world that can often feel isolating and divided, these connections serve as a powerful reminder of our shared humanity. They bridge the gaps between us, fostering unity and understanding through the language of positive energy. So next time you feel a magnetic pull towards a stranger, Strike up a conversation. You never know what beautiful connection you might create. For the next section, let me ask if you have ever noticed how cats purr contentedly in your lap, or dogs wag their tails so hard their whole body wiggles when they see you. It's not just your amazing treat dispensing skills, although those are appreciated too. Animals are incredibly intuitive creatures with a powerful sense of energy, and they're naturally drawn to those vibrating at a high frequency. Think of it like a universal language, a connection that transcends words. When you radiate calmness and positivity, it's like a beacon to these furry or feathery friends. They can sense your high vibration and feel safe, happy, and at ease in your presence. Even children, with their openness and unadulterated sense of the world, often gravitate towards those with high vibrations. They might not be able to articulate it, but they pick up on your positive energy and feel a sense of comfort and joy around you. So next time a furry friend seems inexplicably drawn to you, or a child seeks your company, don't be surprised. It's just the language of light at work, creating beautiful connections across species. Now, as we move on, we get into some of the strange occurrences that, if not handled appropriately, can have a negative impact on your life. So listen closely as we will discuss each in detail and give you guidance to navigate some treacherous waters. Moving from talking about all the positive aspects of higher vibrations, there is a flip side of the magnet, the interactions with those on a lower vibrational frequency. We've talked about how your high vibration attracts positive experiences and connections, but what about those who aren't quite on the same energetic wavelength? The truth is, not everyone will appreciate your sunshine and rainbows. Sometimes your positive energy can trigger a sense of discomfort in those with lower vibrations. Imagine yourself walking into a dark room with a bright flashlight. The sudden burst of light can be startling, even unpleasant at first. People with lower frequencies might react similarly to your radiant energy. It's not a personal attack. They simply need time to adjust to your brightness. The important thing here is to stay true to yourself and your light, so don't dim your shine just because it makes someone else squint. Remember, your authenticity can be a powerful catalyst for growth in others. Even if your positivity makes them a little uncomfortable at first, it might just be the nudge they need to start raising their own vibration. So keep shining brightly and trust that your light will eventually illuminate the path for others. Have you ever walked into a crowded room and felt an immediate wave of exhaustion wash over you? Or maybe you pick up on the emotions of others as if they were your own, feeling their joy or sadness intensely. If so, you might be experiencing the empath's burden, a heightened sensitivity to energy shifts that comes with high vibration. Imagine yourself as a tuning fork, vibrating at a high frequency. When you enter a room full of people, each with their own energetic signature, it can be like being bombarded by a cacophony of sounds. You might pick up on anxieties, frustrations, or negativity from others, leaving you feeling drained or overwhelmed. This is because empaths, as sensitive souls attuned to the world around them, can unconsciously absorb the emotions of those in their presence. The good news is you're not alone. Many lightworkers, those who consciously raise the vibration of the planet, share this ability. Their high frequency allows them to be sensitive to the collective energy, and their empathy fuels their compassion and desire to help others. However, being a beacon of light in the world requires self-care. Just like a radiant candle needs protection from a strong breeze to maintain its flame, you too need to safeguard your energy. Maintaining healthy energetic boundaries is crucial, especially for empaths who are more susceptible to energetic drains. Think of yourself as a powerful lighthouse guiding ships through the darkness. While your light is essential, a constant barrage of waves could eventually erode the foundation. In the same way, you need to protect yourself from energetic drains. This can be done in many ways, from grounding exercises that connect you to the Earth's stability, to visualization techniques that create a shield around your aura. We have discussed these techniques in previous videos, so the link will be in the card above. But sometimes the simplest act of self-care, saying no to situations that deplete your energy, is the most powerful protection. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. By taking care of your own energetic well-being, you ensure you can continue to shine brightly, lighting the way for others and inspiring them to raise their own vibration. So don't be afraid to prioritize your needs. A replenished light will always shine stronger. Lastly, we get a huge benefit when navigating those negative aspects as we have a guiding light. Your intuition. High vibration and intuition are like two sides of the same coin. The clearer your connection to your inner self, the stronger your intuition becomes. When you vibrate at a high frequency, the chatter of the mind quiets, allowing you to hear the whispers of your soul. Those with high vibrational energy often develop a deep sense of trust in their gut feelings, a powerful inner compass that guides them through life's twists and turns. Imagine yourself on a road trip, but instead of relying solely on a map, you have an inbuilt GPS that directs you towards the most scenic routes and hidden gems. This is how intuition works for those with high vibrations. Their sensitivity to their inner knowing leads them down paths that resonate with their highest good, opening doors to unexpected opportunities and fulfilling experiences. So next time you have a hunch or a gut feeling, don't dismiss it, and trust that your intuition is picking up on subtle energetic cues, guiding you towards what's best for you. By learning to listen to your inner voice and follow its guidance, you'll navigate life's journey with greater ease and purpose. So there you have it, a glimpse into the unique world of high vibrational beings. Remember, these experiences are a sign that you're on the right track, radiating positivity and attracting abundance into your life. If you found this video helpful or interesting on your journey of high vibration, chances are others in your life might too. Feel free to share it and spread the light. Thank you for being a part of our amazing community. Together, we can create something truly beautiful, a world where everyone vibrates at their highest frequency. Remember, you are a unique and radiant being, and your light is an inspiration to others. Until next time,